Hello creative people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful top. I've seen it all over social media and Amra wore it and I was like, I'm gonna make it. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. To create this pattern, you will need basic pattern for bodice and you can find it on my channel. I'm starting with measuring 4 centimeters from the bust line upwards to the neckline and creating this rounded form to create a heart neckline. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take away -4 centimeters on the lower line because I want my top to be shorter. Don't mind those 2 X's. Just don't, that was wrong. Then on the back side we are going to do exactly so it matches the front side, so the sides are exactly the same, and you will need 4 pieces. Now that you have done your inner lining, we're gonna go ahead and add the front pattern. For the front pattern, I'm copying the half of the front and the other half I'm adding 5 centimeters extra both on the upper line and the lower line. As more you add here, as much more ruching you can create on the front piece. For the sleeves, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this like rounded shape in 6 pieces and open them. The distance between each of these pieces will be 2 centimeters. Then I'm just going to follow and create the other shape, and then I'm adding also 5 centimeters extra on the lower line. And for the cuffs, I'm measuring your wrist, and for me it was 20 centimeters and the thickness is going to be 10. Once you have divided in half, it will be 5, so I think it was the perfect. For the material, you will be needing my pattern. 1 meter of this beautiful silk fabric, does not contain any elastin, a zipper where you can zip all the way out, pins, scissors, crayon, elastin band. This is also buttons, pearl buttons, safety pin, a button foot for the buttons, measuring band, and this is plastic boning where you can sew on. The first step, as always, is to place a pattern on the fabric, measure 1 centimeter for the sewing and cut out all of the pieces. I'm starting with the inner lining for the top and I'm sewing these 2 pieces together. Then I'm gonna take the plastic boning and just cut 4 pieces that I'm gonna add, as you can see here, and sewing them. Then I'm placing the sides of the back and sewing them together so I have a complete front. Also, do not forget to sew the incisions that are in the back side. On to the front piece, you're gonna connect the back, as also don't forget to sew the incisions, and then I'm taking just a thread and a needle and just trying to create a ruching at the middle of the front. Then I will be placing that above the inner lining and just sewing the pieces together. It's very important to iron the piece. This is how it looks while it's ironed. And now we're gonna place the zipper on the back side. We are moving on to the cuffs. For the cuffs, I'm folding this piece in half and sewing the sides. Then I'm gonna flip them inside out and I have ironed them here so they look flat and even. Then I'm taking just a pen or a crayon and marking where I'm going to place my buttons. Then I'm just gonna sew the buttons and sew with the button foot to create the holes for the buttons as well. Then I'm taking my sleeve, folding it in half and sewing the sides. You're going to connect the cuffs with the sleeves and you can create little ruchings as well. For the sleeve top, you're gonna create a loop where you're going to place the elastic band in, and then once you have done that, you're just going to connect it with the top. The last step is to sew the buttons on the front of the top, and then And this is the finishing product. This is how the top looks like. I like it. It's very comfortable, it's beautiful and perfect for this summer, and I'm gonna definitely make like a matching shorts or a skirt because I really like set. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like always, if you have any other suggestions or what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel, please comment below or contact me on my social media. See you till next time. Hej då!